Hi all, this is an overview of where you can find information in the Google Classroom for Materials and Processing Fall 2021. So here is my classroom landing spot, and I am going to click on Materials and Processing Fall 2021. And I'm going to go to the Classwork tab. This video is being developed on September 28th to help students understand where they can find their materials for remote learning. The first link that we want to take a look at is our calendar, which is posted right here. And within this calendar, you are going to see, Monday we worked on the bottom 12-inch groove, Tuesday the bottom 16-inch groove. And both of these links will take you out to the assignments, but I will also show you where you can find the assignments in Google Classroom. You can see that Mrs. Martin holds a Google Meet each day and your attendance is required. The Google Meet for period 6-7 is at 12:20 and for period 9 at 1:45. And right here is where you would click to join that Google Meet. Back in the Google Classroom, you will find our attendance form. Students are to complete the attendance form each day during their scheduled class time. You will also see a topic for remote work. So we started our remote learning on September 27th. Here was our assignment with our supporting details, a few notes from Mrs. Martin, as well as a video of how to produce the part in drawing in Onshape, and a blank Google slide for you to submit a screenshot of your work. We did a similar activity today, the 28th. Here was your video instruction as well as your slide where you can put your work. If you have additional questions, please reach out to Mrs. Martin so she can help you so you can be successful with these assignments. Thank you and have a good day.